ebusian for aha Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra will like a comp. Turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for. You can say top 3 regions are that have been ungrateful to Akufo-Addo Abanya. Me sure say Asante region count. And top 3 regions. You found from Abia first on the list about Volta region. And the reason I say it's a Volta region is Volta, we have benefited a lot from Akufo-Addo's government to the extent that the biggest nursing and midwifery school in the whole of West Africa, you see what Volta, US phase 2. The biggest science stimulation center about the whole of Africa. Our Volta region, you see, and Akufo-Addo. And your Bank of Ghana City Auditorium. And also, our Volta, who here, and your sports infrastructure, youth resource centers, our Volta region. Agenda 1 be brave, Ecosu of Volta region, at least, be 8 and I said 9. Nkwan Ecosu of Volta region. And I think, say, Ebano say we have been ungrateful to NPP. Volta has been ungrateful. Number 2 was Alice to the Asante region. Where the Mumpe or Meka. Because Mikaipa say, Ebra Miko Asante region. Because it's been a long time since I went to Kumasi. And when I went for the first time last year, if I can't wait so, Nipa na or no te Kumasi no say, if I know say, can't wait so ye, if I know say, can't wait so ye, if I say, and just say, sa kwan we nyina na anka yenye like there were rough roads and said there were potholes. I say ani. Let me say Akufo-Addo etimi aye we nyina e wo Kumasi nko a. And then na Ashanti region. Mo hu NPP mobo akoto abanama NPP. To the extent say mo share the number of seats are ene NDC e wo Ashanti region. And Asante for Musho, the number of seats are NDC. Uba Volta region, Miami region, Uba. Even the 1 seat, na Hohwe, Volta for the mark Peter Ameu. Ameu ye ni obetimia ye bia, ni anipa betimia ye bia, Ameu ye, Hohwe. 1 house, 1 job. Oh yeah, you 1 house, 1 job. Na Ameu, or make sure say, if you bia. Se nipa ba kube free safia se nye fire service abeko prison service nye prison service abeko military abeko immigration abeko police service nye police service abeko GRA nye GRA abeko customs. But despite all of that, no, what for still omuji sit no free name. Yeah. Na Ashanti region which me share ejuma Akufo-Addo ye Kumasi airport. They say international airports, international standard. Even British Airways, Air France, Air Maroc, Air direct flight, connecting flight to Kumasi. My name say we na Ediskaba Ashanti region. Ediskaba, and it helps expand business. It increases the visibility of the region. When kwandie se nye shikra sa Akufo-Addo nye shikra when kwandie, I think say Ashanti region should have at least giving another chance to the NPP. Ebushanvo atonsu kwan no atonsu Kuwait or emisu minum no minim ho sa kwan nyina se NPP na ye yo Akufo-Addo na ye. Oh, and the anya minianum Asante for monya dear my mama fiaye dodo. Let's go through some of the projects Akufo-Addo and Dr. Mamudu Bawumia government Ashanti region. New district hospitals that saw the light of day Ashanti region in. There were Drobonso, there were Sabronum, there were Chedie, and I was Swami. 4 district hospitals. Meaning say Swame hospital. I say now Ekajina 111. Beautiful hospital. It's the standard of a district hospital. Right? Ukom Mansun Kwanta, a 40-bed capacity, completed and ready for use. Mansun Kwanta. Now, the major health regional facilities are now Akufo-Addo. Ni say, Oma commissioned a 250-bed Asante Regional Hospital and a 50-bed disease center. Sewa. West no dem intimi bo. Now projects are very here. Complete here. Ni say Formina Hospital, Bekwe, Municipal Hospital, Tepa ahafo ano south, north. Tepa ahafo ano north. Right? Konongo so ko Konongo Municipal Hospital, Akufo-Addo complete here. Kumau District Hospital, Akufo-Addo complete here commission here. Now when you go to roads, Kumasi Lake Road, 2.73 kilometers, dual carriage. Inner city roads in over 100 kilometers of asphalt overlay. Kumasi. Hey. Mampong, Benkwai roads na Konongo, Bantama, Tafo, all those roads Akufo-Addo here. Education, STEM schools, Bosontwe girls, any Sewa STEM school, na Akufo-Addo here. One district, one factory, your Daco Farms, your Dwabin Oil Mill, your Aba Bio Express Fruit, winning na Akufo-Addo here. Enti Ashanti region. I say money NPP more than you. Yeah, Volta region anka NDC timi here BBC even half MI of Volta region. Ka bet that for my mom. Kabin Crawford, bet that for my mom. Asante for. Me catch them with the say. Me say same people about power bioma. It is dependent on Ashanti region and Eastern region. These two regions me trust them more off. And to me di me last in about 2 months say me pamucho. Mumboa NPP na NPP bring back to power 2028. Because the way our miners are here, me pamucho, bredodo. Let's go and listen to other perspective into this argument. But before then, for Mumbai. Still now resi fans for your studio Madam Wase, so far at the kind of feedback I'm getting from you, more munti me my cry mufre and show concern. That alone is enough. Mumubi so mufre e bon pa my. I love that. More muti ese me yare miti shi miti shi our camera name enya is you. E onyame nsem, right? Mumubi mufre mu send me skase fakoto dro fatua hospital bill in da money na ase. Let's keep doing naba na screen ase pamcho. Now let's listen to this.
But ye amemono bo ehye ne ase two coup d'etat ojeje ye nyina taxes ni kumasefo nyina taxes ejeje taxes now for 19 years na kumasefo na Ashanti region tu taxes ma rollings bibi papa ben na oye wo kumase ho bibi na friend interchange you say and anything that looked like an interchange flyover and bibino. No, we didn't have one in Ashanti region. The whole of Ashanti. Meanwhile, Ashanti region was the second largest city. Even in crime, Accra na the Accra na ba kope one ekumisi ba kope. Ghana edibe biebe hu say e was enya interchanges na ayo mampanyin kofo. O mampanyin kofo na ye interchange bibiri wa Accra. E no be ye bi wo Kumase. Ene sa interchange na makotete paint aye ho no. Na nam say chrono any catastrophe dream also also a friends the Ministry of Roads and Highway urban enunti what should that person more divert attention na makofa brush na makofa paint na mda paint picture black biara ano na sebi o na mode be she NPP for na sebi NPP for ebezi edi bone a mahama nye ne face na wo na oni prakro no wasore efini fie I take all this risk. Say or be painty your friend say mural no and also be painty adena more or be painting na no keke. Se me si me e dream boni aba mitina me be din samoni a me bedu ho no adena no na me de na I paint ni ye. Nyansa sembe ne wosa adiwe. This is a self-sabotage and it is staged. You can't convince me any otherwise. Someone kasa trying to give the NPP a bad name, no? And a man kasa mo call for. They almost say they will never catch the culprit. They will never. Will be recorded more. They will, I said because they know the person. They will never catch the culprit or no yes hard. They will because they know or your man kasa nipa they know the person. The NPP for also na mahama picture bohono. Ya confirm a young painti mahama any man say no anya ni karakacha. Name picture black is the that why who there is a picture no one na the page na kofa na no. Na ka say nipa ye jimiana. Mo ka say jimiana. They should give us a break. Na mo menyu ama Asante for no. Me dey bia mo so. E kwanya ho do akufo do beye wa Asante region. The inner roads obeye obuasi inner roads bekwai inner roads obeye a friend is a Sokoban route obeye a Sokoto and Pabame route obeye a friend is Kumewu e kwanya akufuado ebeye obeye Kumewu kwan ebeye asokwa to putuja asokwa na wo eni esu putuja ndemoko ye wo obeye ni nyina eno no mo nyamfe eno no mo mpe eno no mo NPP ambeye hwe yamamo oboasi tu anya kwanta road akwan na me faso kama na me ko school na me faso for a very long time sir enyem na koku menu ko jina ho exactly sa pepepe koku menu ko jina sa kwan ho obeka se yenye sa kwan no mo Asante region for mahama fisu 20 na sa kwan na te say Atonso Lake Road, Atonso Lake Road. Mahama Efisu 2016, na sa kwan na te say. Enne, Moses Akufuado nye hwe ukɔhwe every year friend say Kentin Krono. Inner city rules MPP beye wo ho, even in their first term. Minim da say na ya Asante for your pictures. Any drawing na ye said a year friend say Simon say mensa na you nimu na wonim. Simon say mensa on behalf of Simon say mensa I am apologizing to our Ashanti region people say ni enim say drawing na mope ankasika e de ye friend say Boankra inland port NDC fo ja ho ankasika e de ye mothers and baby unita ye ntimi wi a ye tilisi ntimi putu structure na manedu baby no anka e kotete ye painting na maamo en na be mo fe enke ye kwatete ye painting maamo e ko draw Asante hine to yiwo anka electric pole crank e be draw Asante hine to atso en na be mo fe no obi gina baby say mema a friend say Simon say mensa e be fa sa kwan no so adan a it is we nya nyansa so be sa de like what do you want just drawing na mbo bi tin say wo say me ko draw no hunti on ba ko no wa anya hwe odim nyansa.
What kind of crap you see? The moment you say it that way, it becomes more funnier because unim. Nana Addo bano started anyama way. The same people. And our mama ni jaye. And think
what's not say catch say what ya talk 24 wabra enne.
Yeah, crash ye successfully and come kwa Kumasi die.
Wabra enne $25 million amo kan since 2022. Obia
impact of them.
Mate obia into me improve is $25 million and I'm them say I'm $25 million. Meanwhile from 2020 obia for contract document bian buyer cause agency we integrate in check in the bank transaction in a kote kufa na mo $25 million. Says can mo bon transfer 1 million even half a $1 million $500,000 unim debate me wa brabo.
No, the thing
is that it is ridiculous. We believe we say a $25 million can be given to somebody drawing, and then 1.5 years, they are not charging the person for bloated contracts. And then you are here, you want to reason with us human beings in Ghana. Into you Asante for ebo yeseremo. Ni enim say pempe your friends the first airport na mompe. Anke ni man kai kwatiti paint e kwaye ba kwon ho ma mo na manichi ho Ye nim say ekwanya ekodu hospitals a omo ye from Twede to a friend say Manson Kwanta Hospital to Swami Hospital omo ye to Trade Hospital on ye nim say no mo mpe. We didn't obuase trauma center ni ade omo ye nim da. Sebom sabronum ni ade ye nim da. Semom pe. Nanka ye nim anka ye de koto azar paint. Epe painti ye friend say konfanoche tichu ye kodrodro dan ho eno na mani je ho kwasiafo binu Asante binu anu Asante fu ebi ye kwasiafo dumso ene kum okumase ho no dumso it is killing you over there munya kania kranam ene Nana Addo no say ye friend say tete trumpet or boy friend say boyaba so no boyaba